Good morning, students. Let us enjoy writing skill. In writing skill, these five letters are very important. If you keep in mind and elaborate these points and keep in the mind while you are writing, because this writing, any type of writing in the preceding classes, you have been told that this is a very nice and this is a very important literary activity, and it enables you in so many beneficial, so many important areas. This is so it's a very wide. This writing section is very wide and various type of writing. For example, letter writing, letter to letter, application writing, short composition, long composition, message, notice, and very other things, and some other, for example, commercial letter, formal letter, informal letter, and other article, paragraph writing, and any type of. So it is a very wide and but you have to focus on these four letters. If you focus this and keep in mind while your writing will be very strong. C stand for collection of ideas. While you are writing, first of all you have to collect many ideas, and if you collect many ideas, and that idea should be organized and viewpoint related on the subject, on the topic, on the matter you are going to write or going to draft some matter. Thereafter, O, C O D A E, A oblique E R. C means collection of ideas. O means organizing ideas. And D, writing, drafting. A, analysis. And it's editing, because after drafting you have to analyze and you have to edit this thing whether it is up to the mark or not. And at last it's rewriting, drafting, rewriting, drafting and revision. This is last. Otherwise, whatever you have written, there may be any type of mistake. So you have to rewrite. Revision, you miss a revision of the matter. So while you are just collecting ideas in the and thereafter you have to organize ideas systematic and logically, and thinking coherently and pertinent, because if it is not like this, so it will be of no use. So and unity and unity of the this thinking, and thereafter the placing of the situation. So while you are writing on some event, some situation, or some happening, or any type of this personal, some person or some other characters like this. So you have to, the writing should be very simple, and your this collection of ideas should be accordingly, and that must relate on the subject, and it should be very coherent and very systematic and logical. If it is not logical and you are going like this, so it is after use. So thereafter just start writing and this drafting. And while you are drafting writing, just keep the mind that you have to follow such type of system. And after this writing, the drafting, you have to edit this. You have to analysis whether any mistake or not, because it is very meticulous, and any type of spelling mistake or any type of grammatical wrong mistake that we penalize, that you have to lose mark there. So you have to very accurate there, because in writing, content and fluency and accuracy, these three are very important. And so far this fluency question, there will flow while you are writing, there will flow, not cut here and there or any type of break. That's why fluency is very highly required there. And accuracy, at last you have to maintain the accuracy, because accuracy is very, very important. And if you are very accurate and there is no spelling mistake or grammatical mistake, you will get a full out of full. complete whatever marks you designed, you will get complete mark. Otherwise, in 1 mark will be deducted from your this, and that's layout. So that should be very according to the point, according to the subject and the matter whatever you are discussing. And this A and analysis thereafter rewriting, and whatever A, C, O, D, A you have done, thereafter rewriting, revision of the matter. And if you rewrite and readopt it and do this revision, your matter will be very connected and in a very compact way. And this compact way is the very important, because it is your vocabulary areas and your comprehension of the matter. These are very important. So how much nice diction and how much pertinent words you have used, so it is very important. And the thorough command on this the comprehension and your this ideas must be according, and that should be accordingly. And there should be unity. It should be very in a unity, in a uniformity. Otherwise it will be scattering like anything, and it will be abused. So it is a very simple, very coherent, systematic, logical, and revision is very important, just to make just overall view for this. So this revision is very important. It is to be continued. Okay, thank you very much.